let's make an amazing sundae bar or ice cream charcuterie board. So we're going to start with a big tray, and I like a tray with sides. Put a dish in the middle, and then we'll start putting all our toppings. These are no-bake dessert cookie crumbles. We have nuts and sauces, cherries, and fruit. We'll put our cups and spoons, our cones, and whipped cream. And then right in the middle, we will put some ice. And I also like to sprinkle some salt on the ice just to keep it colder. And then we'll put our ice cream right in the middle. And you're basically all done. It's really that easy. You can get the recipe for all the sauces and a more in-depth how-to, in addition to all the recipes for the dessert crumbles. They're all no bake and use less than 3 ingredients. It's super easy to make. And definitely make this for your next event. It's perfect for barbecues, for birthdays. I mean, just as a, weekend thing. It's just amazing. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.